Nyuma na Ramogi TV kanyo. Akawa chako ni Jatend kweth manok e od bura mar County Assembly ma Meru otero twak e od bura ka odwaro ni othich oko Gavana Kawira Mwangaza. MCAs lero ni ketho maduong' mamiyo Mwangaza nyaka gwe oko e apisi en mar tiyo marach kod lemo mare ka achiel kod nywando anyuola ne e tije ma county no. Ywaruok bende osebedo e kind jalup Gavana ma Meru Isaac Mutuma kod Gavana Kawira Mwangaza.
The Assembly resolves to impeach the Governor under Article 181 of the Constitution, Section 33 of County Governments Act, and Standing Order number 65 of the Standing Orders of the Assembly on the following grounds. Count number 1, misappropriation and misuse of county resources. The Governor has grossly violated, among others, Articles 10, 73, 201, 226, 227, and 230 of the Constitution, Sections 8, 12, 13, 16, 17, and 35 of the Leadership and Integrity Act 2012, Sections 55 and 66 of the Public Procurement and Asset Disposal Act 2015, and Sections 45, Subsection 2, and 46 of the Anti-Corruption and Economic Crimes Act, by engagement, convenience, and or complicity in the following. A, the embezzlement of county funds through the Governor's sisters, Rose Kinya Gwantai and Miriam Gwantai, brother Kenneth Gwantai Murangeri, brother-in-law Nefat Kenywa, and the nephew to the Governor's husband, Henry Mutuma Murangeri, all of whom are from now on collectively referred to as the Governor's relatives. Changing the locks to the Deputy Governor's office, arbitrary relocation of the Deputy Governor's office, arbitrary withdrawal of security from the Deputy Governor's residence, and persistently making demeaning public utterances against other elected leaders despite the same issue featuring prominently in the previous impeachment proceedings. Making insightful, insulting, and demeaning remarks against other leaders by falsely accusing them of cartelism at a presidential Thanksgiving service held in Lare despite this issue arising in previous impeachment proceedings, and encouraging, conniving, and condoning our husbands insulting and demeaning public utterances and musical performances against other elected leaders despite this issue featuring in previous